Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to get the list of all columns in the table or database using T-SQL in SQL Server 2022. So I opened the SQL Server Management Studio here. So this is my SQL Server 2022 version I am using now. So I am using Developer Edition. Now I am switching to AdventureWorks database. So this is the query: select star from information underscore schema dot column. So this will give you all the columns information in the entire database. See here, it gives all the column information of all the tables from entire AdventureWorks database. So also you can customize this query by adding where clause, where table name equal to customer. So I'm searching only for a customer table. See here, all the columns of customer table is got displayed here. Select star from information underscore schema dot columns where table name equal to customer. It will give you the all the columns. Let me verify. Yes, it's correct. Okay, there is another method to check to get all the columns. Execute sp underscore columns parameter I'm passing as a table name. You can see same output is displayed. So this sp underscore column store procedure also will give you the same output. Select star from sys dot columns. So this is a very advanced query. So you can see all the columns including system tables, everything is got printed, including user tables also got printed. So this little bit advanced, you need to filter this query.